In this video, I will extend the sample scenario created when you sign up to Nussknacker Cloud, add some filter, choice, and decision table nodes, and show how the live data feature helps you understand what's going on. When you sign up to Nussknacker, a sample scenario is already created and running. The HTTP endpoint node allows you to ingest events into our Kafka topic through HTTP. You can copy the URL and credentials from it. The data sample form allows you to quickly send a message directly to the running scenario. On the right, you have a live preview of incoming events. Across the whole scenario, each incoming event is accessible via the input variable. The logger node lets you output custom messages during execution, so you can see exactly what's happening in your scenario. Logs are available in the admin panel under the Logs tab and can also be sent to your company's logs gathering system. In the Integration tab, you can configure connections to various systems. Labels like Source, Sync, or Enricher indicate how each one can be used in the designer, as I showed in previous videos. Back to our scenario, the next node is Aggregate Sliding, which aggregates events with the same group by value within a time window defined by window length. In the upper right corner, you can see a link to our documentation about each node, or you can ask our AI assistant for explanation. Now let's extend our scenario. I will add a score field to events and generate and run a bash script to send sample events continuously. With the new score field, let's count the average score and some all scores per name. Let's deploy the changes and check live data. When you click on an input data record, the view is paused so you have a chance to check the matching output data. You can either click the data record again or press the live data button to resume live updates. Next, I'll add a filter node to remove some events. I'll use auto layout to arrange the nodes and deploy the changes. On the output data record stack, you can see labels showing where each record went. Void means the event was dropped. Now I'll use a choice node, but first let's create a Kafka topic with offers for users based on their score range. I haven't connected any external Kafka, but I can use internal topics to exchange messages between scenarios or connect to external systems via HTTP or WebSockets. I'm using the AI assistant to generate an Avro schema for the offer topic. You don't need to end a scenario with a sync. Events will be discarded after the last node. Now let's define our choice conditions based on the average score calculated in the aggregate node. Next, I'll add a decision table node to assign offers based on score ranges. You define columns, fill them with static data, and create conditions based on input events. The decision table outputs a new variable containing the matching rows. Based on the topic's Avro or JSON schema, Nussknacker generates a form that produces the output events. I fill it with our decision table output and the input event. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos for more on integrations, AI features, and more.